The United States at this point is also looking for friendships in the Islamic world. And Pakistan plays a very important role as the largest population-wise, military, and because it's also nuclear equipped. So Pakistan plays a role here, and a role which stands out at the moment here as being much more likely to produce something than will some of the expressions which are coming out of the Gulf and elsewhere, which are really showing sympathy toward Iran initially in rhetorical terms, but can really offer very little. But Pakistan is the next door neighbor. Knowing that Pakistan is on the same page with the United States here cannot be good news for Iran.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।